healthy and glowing skin and want to look young forever. But aging is a natural process. We can't stop aging completely. However, we can slow down the signs of aging naturally with right kind of food and lifestyle choices. In this video, I'm going to share few facial yoga practices to get glowing skin and how small changes in our diet and lifestyle can play a big role in slowing down the aging process. And the best part is that these practices are most inexpensive and most efficient at the same time. The first technique which we are going to do is Kapal Randra Dhauti. Let me break it down for you. Kapal means forehead, Randra means holes or sinus passages that we have. Dhauti means cleansing. So here we are going to do 6 techniques under Kapal Randra Dhauti. So let's start with the first one. Place your thumb on your temples like this. Now take your fingers. Now move your fingers from left to right on your forehead in a sweeping manner. Now the same practice with left side. Move it from right to left with a moderate pressure. Let's keep doing the same for 15 times. You can even close your eyes. The second movement under Kapal Randra Dhauti that we are going to do is pinching your eyebrows. Take your index finger and thumb like this. Place it at the center of your forehead. Now pinch your eyebrows with moderate pressure from center to edges, from edges to center. Keep doing the same for 15 times. You can keep your eyes closed. This also helps relieving headaches. Most of us face this problem of under eye dark circles and wrinkles around our eyes. So the third technique which we are going to do is a kind of massage technique. So take your first 2 fingers, middle finger and index finger, place it on the edges. Now move it towards temples like this. Again, press it, press it, press it and raise up high. Keep doing the same practice for 15 times. The fourth technique is massaging our cheeks. So take your fingers like this, place it on the edges of your nose. Now move your fingers around your cheeks and take your fingers up high to your temples. Relax. Again. Press it, press it, press it. Take your fingers up high. Keep doing the same practice for 15 times. Again, there is no restriction on breathing. Keep breathing normal. And relax. The fifth technique under Kapalrandha Dhauti is ear to ear massaging. So bring your hands like this. Your thumb and index finger is separate. Little ring and middle finger is together. So now place your hands in such a way that your ear should be in between your first two fingers. Now move your hands to the other side. Same practice with other hand. Keep doing the same practice for 15 times. Now, sixth technique is again a massaging technique. So, bring your hands like this. Now, move your hands with gentle pressure to your ears. Relax again. Three, up, 4, up, 5, up. Keep repeating the same for 15 times. Now the next practice under Kapalrandha Dhauti is neck massage. So place your hand on your neck like this and gently massage your neck in upward direction. And release. Practice the same for 15 times. So now we'll understand why facial yoga is important. Firstly, we all carry a lot of emotions all throughout the day. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes sad, sometimes in aggression, sometimes very excited. So what happens when we have negative emotions? Our facial muscles get tense. So with the help of facial yoga, we can release this tension and this allow us to look youthful. Secondly, we all know that aging is a natural process, so we all will age. As we age, our skin becomes loose. Facial yoga can help us in toning of the skin. Third reason why facial yoga is beneficial is collagen and elastin are a kind of protein found in our skin and hair. So facial yoga can help boost collagen. Now I'm going to share few non-yogic practices to include in your daily routine. Include more veggies and fruits in your diet. Drink more water, at least 3 to 4 liters in a day, depending on the climate you live in. Practice stress management techniques like meditation to stay stress-free. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours in a day. Last but not the least is apply a good sunscreen even if you stay indoor, because the gadgets we use these days like mobiles and laptops also emits blue light. So wear a sunscreen with good SPF content. Remember, aging is a fact of life, but looking your age is not. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and comment, and do subscribe to this channel.